Why is prospect theory and its value function wrong? Prospect theory, developed by Daniel Kahneman and Amos Tversky, provides a framework for understanding how people make decisions under risk and uncertainty. Its value function, which describes how people perceive gains and losses, is often depicted as concave for gains, convex for losses, and steeper for losses than for gains. While it has been influential, there are criticisms. Descriptive accuracy. Some argue that prospect theory does not accurately predict actual behavior in all contexts. For example, certain decision-making scenarios might not align with the theory's predictions, particularly in complex or high-stakes situations. Context dependence. Critics point out that the value function can vary significantly depending on the context or framing of choices. This raises questions about the theory's generalizability across different situations. Overemphasis on loss aversion. While loss aversion is a central tenet of prospect theory, some researchers argue that it may overstate the degree to which losses are weighted more heavily than gains, especially in certain cultures or demographics. Simplistic value function. The original value function is relatively simple and might not capture the nuances of human preferences, such as the influence of social factors, emotions, or cognitive biases beyond just loss and gain. Static nature. Prospect theory treats preferences as static, whereas real-world decision-making is often dynamic and influenced by prior experiences, changes in context, or evolving preferences over time. Alternative models. Other models, like cumulative prospect theory or regret theory, address some of these shortcomings by incorporating more complex structures or additional psychological factors. While prospect theory has significantly advanced our understanding of decision-making, these criticisms highlight areas where it may fall short or where further refinement is needed.